welcome back to my channel. Today I have something totally different. Today, ladies, I want to share with you how I made my kitchen more luxurious. And even though my kitchen is a remodel, thanks to hubby, you can use some of the same principle I used in designing my kitchen to make your kitchen more luxurious. Ladies, if you think this is something you'd be interested in, then you know what to do. Keep on watching. Ladies, I think what I'm going to do is start with my beverage station, but my kitchen is kind of broken up into zones. That's how I thought about it in my head when I was designing it. And so I'm going to start with the beverage station and show you each zone. And then I'm going to show some of my organizational things I found that I thought were helpful, and it makes my life easier. To me, luxurious means that things are easy and it makes you have more time to do the other things you want to do in your life. Before we get started, ladies, why don't I make myself a cup of tea and a light snack? Okay, I wanted this glass front, and I keep all my teacups in there. In the drawers, we put K-cups. It fit just perfect. We just love it. Now, let me show you what's in these two drawers. I have all my teas, biscuits, any little thing. And this is the tea I'm making today. And the other drawer just have aluminum foil, storage bag, that kind of thing. And I wanted the slow close drawer. Here is my little station with my candy and also sugars. And I normally have sweets in here, also cake, pastries, that kind of things. So I really love it. Some water. So this is instant tea. Okay, it's all done. And I just need to get my stir. That's it for me with my ginger tea. All right, ladies, so this is not my proper tea meal, but I'm just having some apricots with a little coconut sprinkle, biscuit, a cookie, and a little nuts. A little ginger tea, still a little hot, it's still steeping. And I like to use my cloth napkins also. Ladies, you could add a little luxury in your life. It doesn't always have to be things. It could be things that make you feel good. I love my Tiffany mug. I also like using glass plates. That makes me feel luxurious also. All right, did you grab your tea? Come on, sit down with me. All right, ladies, let's go to the next section. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Let me know that you like this video. I had to have a display section in my kitchen because I love to display for the holidays. And so right now I have plants on them. And also I have this other section, which is my dishwasher. And let's look in the cabinet, and here are some of my dishes, and it's really tall, so it fits a lot compared to what I had before, my 1970 kitchen. It might have been 80s, but love it. And dishwasher is great. And the one thing I wanted to show you was this cute thing I got from Amazon that is very discreet, holding your wipes. So you can wipe down your counters. Real cute. And then I had to get a garbage disposer, and I wanted a lot of outlets in this kitchen. So it's a little ridiculous. I have a lot of outlets. And I wanted a plate rack where you could see the plate and just grab it easily. And up top, I just have cereal and things like that. If you are an organizational girl, you will love all the containers I have. And my sink is also from Amazon. I love it because it comes with lots of pieces, the cutting board, the drying dish, and I got the touchless faucet. I've always wanted that. So at the end, I'm going to show you more about the technology in my kitchen. Underneath the sink is very organized, and I keep my paper towel and supplies under the sink. I don't have much room I don't have a junk drawer and stuff like that. All right, my last large cabinet are these two, and you can see they're organized. I have a lot of spices because I do enjoy cooking. It's just that my other kitchen I had was not functional. It was dated, and I'm just so happy with this new kitchen because I can just find everything easy, and I finished cooking in like 30 minutes. So I am loving it. A lot of my leftover things or extra things I put behind the containers you saw. On the counter, I leave my flour and sugar and a candle on this nice little tray. And at the bottom, I wanted this lazy Susan. I was on my husband and the contractor, and they wasn't sure if they were going to be able to do it, but they did it. I love it because my kids could find their snacks and things easily. Now, my next section are utensils and knickknacks. Do you have things that you don't know where to put it? Like your water bottles. So this is the cabinet. I added this at the last minute. I have a few Tupperware, but I hate Tupperware things. I leave my oils out because it's convenient, and I have a utensil drawer, but I still need to work on that, so I'm not satisfied with it, but that's how it looks so far. And at the bottom, I just have my baking things and juicers and the cutting board that goes with the sink. And that's it in that cabinet. Now, my last section in my kitchen is my stove. I love this stove because it's an air fryer and it's connected to my Alexa. And at the top, I have my this and that type. Okay, ladies, I forgot to show you this last cabinet. Down here is where I keep my pots and pans, and I love it. This little rack is so cute. I got it from QVC. I like it because you can adjust it and pull it out. It just works great. I just love it. In order to add some technology to my kitchen, I did the automatic blinds. I know it's extra. And of course, I got that from Amazon. I'm not even sponsored by Amazon, but I use a lot of their products. I also did the touchless faucet. My son's hooked up the series to the microwave, the stove, and my son's even hooked up series to the garbage can. All right, and so ladies, that's it with my kitchen portion. And I'm gonna show you my dining area. My kitchen is very small. I don't know what the size is, but if I find the size, I'll put it on the screen. All right, ladies, this is an overview of my kitchen. I decided to keep the color gray because I thought that was more of a glam, sophisticated look. The backsplash is a glass that I got from Lowe's. All right, ladies, the last thing I forgot to tell you about was my countertop. And they're made out of quartzite. It's from Arizona, the original stone. And it is white and gray and dark gray with a little speck of red in it. It's not really showing up that well on camera. It's really good, but you can't put your hot pots directly on it. That's the only downfall, but I'm the cook, so I'm not doing anything like that. I'm really, really loving it. All right, ladies, enough about this section. Let me show you my last little section of my kitchen. I wanted to show you my lights on my kitchen side. I like it because it's movable, and depending on where I am or what I'm doing, I might need more light. I can always move it. I also have lights underneath my cabinet that are controlled by these remote controls from Amazon. Now on this side of my wall is my refrigerator. I had to negotiate with my husband. He had to pick something, and so he picked this really large refrigerator for this little wall. I had to go with it. I had to compromise. It's very close to my little nook, but that's okay. He wanted this particular Samsung refrigerator because it has beverage center and the 4 doors, and even at the bottom you can make this into a freezer or beverage center. Ladies, this is my dining area. I got this lamp from Amazon and I painted this picture over here. Ladies, because this is a small kitchen, I wanted a booth feel, but I wanted it a little glam, and I also got my chairs from either Wayfair or Amazon. And ladies, in order to make my little dinette area complete and give me that lush, luxurious feeling, I had to add some faux. I love this. I got this from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of those. I just love it because I really love flowers, but it can be a little pricey having flowers every week. It makes me smile every time I see these little faux flowers. Well, ladies, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed seeing my remodel. I'm so excited. It's nothing like having your vision come true. It just adds a little luxury, a little calmness to my life. So I'm really, really excited. If there was any questions you have or any products you want more information about, just leave it in the comment section below. I love reading your comments. Before I go, I have to shout out my viewers in different countries. I need to shout out all my viewers from India, all my viewers from the Philippines, all my viewers from Singapore, all my viewers from Germany, all my viewers from the UK, all my viewers from Canada, which is still North America, my viewers from Poland. Hey! Tell a friend about my channel so I can increase to at least 500, ladies. All right, ladies, that's it for me. And like I always say, don't forget to enjoy life's sweetest things. And ladies, sometimes it's our home. Until next time, bye.